Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Keeper & Co. and this week we're taking it back to the 90s by showing you how to print bucket hats and fanny packs using the face mask kit. So let's get into it. So the first item we're going to be printing on is the fanny pack. Now, because of how a fanny pack is constructed, they're kind of bulky. They only have an opening on one side, so you're a little bit limited in how you can load it onto a typical platen. But because of the hoop design, it holds it down securely and firmly to the platen itself, sending it through the printer nice and flat and evenly, so you're going to get a really nice clean print on that fanny pack. All you have to do is slide it on, load the hoop, toss it onto the printer, and you're good to go. Now, the most important thing you need to remember when DTG printing on a fanny pack is that you have to flip your artwork upside down. It's super easy, just use the toggle points in the program and your mouse, flip it just like so, and you're all set. Now we're doing these fanny packs production style, meaning that while one is going through the printer, you can load up the other one and have it ready to go. It just makes the process way faster and cleaner, especially for specialty products like this one. Once the fanny pack is done printing, you can heat press it as usual. Just make sure you get the printed part underneath the heat press while keeping all of the plastic parts or metal parts out from underneath the heat as best as you can. Press it, and then you're set. Now the next item that we're going to be printing is the bucket hat, and the first way we're going to show you how to print it is by using the 3x4 top plate and corresponding hoop. Now to load it, you're just going to take the sweatband of the bucket hat, if it has one, and tuck it underneath the top of the top plate there, making sure that all of the sides are down and flat and even, and then your print surface is also as flat as you can possibly get it. And then taking that corresponding hoop and putting it right over the top there. Getting out any creases. It's okay if you catch some seams as long as it goes through the printer height check, then you're good to go. And make sure that the rim of the bucket hat is nice and flat as well. It's kind of got a curved edge, so you might want to press it. That kind of keeps it down a little bit flatter and a little bit firmer. And then send it through the printer and you're good to go. For this bucket hat, we're still using the 3x4 top plate, but instead of the hoop, we're going to be using the tucker. So just tuck that sweatband underneath the top plate and then use the tucker to tuck in the top of the bucket hat underneath the top plate. Get a nice flat print surface area, load it onto the printer, and send it through. Alright friends, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you stay tuned every week here for all the new videos that we upload. Go ahead and follow us on our Instagram over at Key Print Code to see all the fun stuff here that we print every single day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.